In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through setting up a fully functional Slack to n8n workflow that actually works. Let me show you a quick demo first. I'll type "Hello guys" and hit send. The Slack trigger kicks off the entire automation. Next, our AI agent generates a response and shoots it back through Slack. By the time we're done here, you'll have this exact same automation running. Alright, let's dive right in. First step, create a brand new workflow in n8n. For our trigger, we're going with Slack and we'll choose on New Message Posted to Channel. Now, we need to add credentials. Click right here to create a new credential. You'll need an access token for this part. Here's how to grab that token. Head directly to api.slack.com/apps in your browser. Create a new app and choose from scratch. Name it something like n8n demo and pick your workspace. Hit Create App. Next up, go to OAuth and Permissions. Scroll down until you find Scopes. Under Bot Token Scopes, click Add an OAuth scope. We're going to give our bot these permissions, basically allowing it to read channels, post messages, and similar actions. Make sure you only add the scopes your specific use case needs. Once you've added those, scroll back up and you should see an install button. If it's not showing up, just refresh the page. Click Install, confirm your workspace, and click Install to proceed. Perfect! Now you've got your access token. Copy it and paste it into n8n, then click Save. If everything's configured correctly, you'll get a connection tested successfully message. Back in n8n, select the channel you want to monitor. Let's go with General for this example. Return to the canvas, hit Save, and then execute Workflow. Now here's an important step many people miss. If you send a test message in Slack right now, nothing will show up in n8n. We need to configure one more thing. In your Slack app settings, go to Event Subscriptions and toggle it on. You'll need to provide a request URL. You can find this by opening the Slack node in n8n. Click Stop Listening, then Webhook URL. Select Test URL and paste it into Slack. You'll probably see your URL didn't respond. To fix this, go back to n8n, click Execute Step, then return to Slack and hit Retry. It should verify successfully now. One last thing for event subscriptions. Click Subscribe to Bot Events, then add Bot User Event, select message.im, then also add message.channels and hit Save Changes. If you try sending a message in Slack now, it still won't trigger. Why? Because you haven't added your bot to the channel yet. Type in your channel, select your bot, and send the message. You'll get a prompt to add the app. Click Add them. Now your trigger is active. Click Execute, step again, type "Hello everyone" and send it. You should see the message appear in n8n. We're almost there. Back on the canvas, click the plus icon, select AI, then AI agent. Choose Define below and drag the message input here. Click Add option for system message. You can leave the default for now, return to the canvas and add a chat model. I'm using OpenAI chat model for this example. Now click the plus icon again, search for Slack and select Send Message. Your credentials should already be configured. For the message type, we need to set this up properly. Double-click the AI agent node and hit Execute Step. Then go back and double-click the Slack node again. Select by channel ID and drag the channel ID from the trigger. For message tech, drag the output from your AI agent, then execute step. And just like that, it's working. To remove the workflow link from your replies, click Add option, find Include, Link to Workflow, and toggle it off. Execute step again. No more link message. Head back to the canvas, click Save, and name your workflow something like Slack AI Agent. You're all set. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and share this with anyone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.